In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XGODY 4K Dash Cam. The XGODY H26 Pro is a high-performance car DVR designed to enhance vehicle safety and recording capabilities. It features a 9.88-inch IPS touchscreen with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 160-degree viewing angle, providing clear visuals at a resolution of 3840 by 2160. The device is powered by a corded electric source and includes advanced functionalities such as loop cycle recording, night vision, and a built-in GPS system. It supports dual camera operation with a rear camera, and its special features include a G-sensor, Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and a parking monitor. The camera operates at 30 frames per second and is equipped with a 7-meter cable for flexible installation. With a warranty period of 1 year and the ability to connect to additional cameras, this product is a versatile choice for drivers seeking comprehensive surveillance and navigation support. Number 2. AZDOME GS63H Dash Cam. The AZDOME Dual Lens Dash Cam is a cutting-edge car recording device designed for safety and convenience, featuring 4K UHD video resolution at 2880x2160p, powered by a Novatec NT96660 processor and a Sony IMX335 sensor. With a wide 170 degrees field of view and an f1.8 aperture, it captures clear images in both daylight and low-light conditions, making it ideal for detailed recordings of road signs and license plates. The dashcam includes advanced features such as 24-hour parking monitoring, motion detection, a G-sensor for automatic impact recording, and loop recording capabilities, which allow for continuous video storage. Additionally, it offers built-in GPS for tracking driving routes, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video access via the AZDOME app, and a range of language options for user convenience. Designed with a 2.45-inch LCD display and a user-friendly interface, the AZDOME Dashcam is equipped with a 250 mAh battery that supports emergency recordings and comes with a variety of accessories for enhanced functionality. With its robust specifications, including waterproofing and anti-vibration features, this dashcam aims to provide comprehensive surveillance and peace of mind for drivers. Number 3. AZDOME M350 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M350 is a high-performance dual dashcam designed for comprehensive vehicle monitoring, featuring 4K front and FHD 1080p rear recording capabilities to capture ultra-high-definition video at a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. It operates within a broad temperature range of -20 to 70 and supports a 64GB microSD card, which is included with the purchase. The dashcam is equipped with advanced features such as built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for real-time video viewing through the AZDOME app, GPS for tracking routes and speed, and voice control for hands-free operation. With a wide 170 degrees viewing angle, super night vision capabilities, and loop recording, it ensures detailed and reliable recordings day and night. Additionally, the device includes a parking monitor feature that activates recording during collisions, and it is designed with a hidden assembly mode for discrete installation. The absence of a traditional battery is compensated by supercapacitors, allowing for consistent power supply while maintaining a lightweight design of only 320G. The dashcam is compliant with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, making it a reliable choice for enhancing road safety and security. Number 4. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro Dashcam is a versatile and advanced vehicle recording device designed to enhance driving safety and provide critical evidence in emergencies. Available in 2 configurations, 2-channel, 2CH, and 3-channel, 3CH, the dashcam features impressive recording capabilities, including 4K resolution for the front camera and additional HD support for rear and cabin views. It is equipped with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video downloads and GPS functionality to track speed, route, and coordinates. The device supports a 64GB TF card for data storage, expandable up to 256GB, and offers features such as night vision, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. With a compact design and a weight of just 0.35 kilograms, the AZDOME M550 Pro is easy to install and operate, making it an ideal choice for drivers seeking reliable surveillance and recording on the road. Number 5. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam is an advanced vehicle recording device designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. It features a robust 4K front camera with a 170° wide-angle lens and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring high-resolution footage during travels. The dashcam is equipped with intelligent functionalities such as Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time video playback, GPS tracking for location updates, and smart voice alerts to keep drivers informed without distraction. Built with a supercapacitor for reliable performance in extreme temperatures, the F9 supports loop recording and comes with a 32GB memory card, expandable up to 256GB. Additional features include G-sensor technology for automatic video locking during impacts, a 48-hour parking monitor mode, and a user-friendly design for easy installation. The package includes essential accessories like a car charger, user manual, and installation brackets, making it a comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance and recording.